Did Motilal Oswal actually engineer the stock price fall in Kaynes technology? That's what a lot of people on social media platforms are accusing the company of. But here is the lowdown of what actually happened. Now, Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund actually went ahead and sold stake in Kaynes Tech of roughly about 3.5 lakh shares at roughly about 5,960 rupees per share. Now, this is the buy side entity or the asset management company that sold Kaynes Tech shares were roughly about 490 crores on November 18, and this triggered a fall in the stock price of Kaynes Tech by almost 6% in the intraday trading session. But without addressing the Kaynes Tech stock directly, Motilal Oswal, who is the co-founder of the relevant and the financial services firm, actually mentioned and explained that the institutional arm or the asset management company and the equity broking arm are independent in itself as well as its decision making. They also mentioned that the equity research arm is all about investing in the long term and not for short term traders, while the asset management on the buy side of the entity is largely adhering to their own fund mandates, which requires them to take decisions such as this one. When you also look at MOSL's institutional equity trading desk, which is of course the equity trading desk which you mentioned, they actually have a buy call on the stock with a target price of 8,200 rupees per share. That's a 38% upside even from the current market levels, while the asset management company, of course, took their own independent decision and sold the stake in the company by almost 3.5 lakh shares on November 18th. Now, that's largely what's happened, and both companies independently doing their own actions is largely the truth of this particular story. But if you are a mutual fund investor in any mutual fund scheme, you will get the registered fact sheet on your own registered email ID, and you as an investor will be able to look at the stocks that are part of that particular scheme. But for all this and a lot more, keep following NDTV Profit.